So we've all heard of TikTok. Most people use social media for fun, but some of us use it for business and marketing. In today's video, I'm going to show you the strategy and workflow I'm going to be implementing for my TikTok marketing. Make sure to stick around until the end. Welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. I am Jonathan and I'm here to help you find the tools to build an income online. If you get value out of these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified every time that I upload a new video. So TikTok, I have to be perfectly honest, I straight up refused to download TikTok when it first came out. On that note, I've actually been that way for almost every social network that's ever come out. Snapchat came out, I downloaded it, I tried to figure it out and learn it, and I deleted it. I know, I still haven't re-downloaded it. I think I finally understand how my parents feel. I mean, I fought off getting Facebook for years. Why do I need two? I already have MySpace. If you're too young to have had a MySpace, then you just made me feel old. Okay, so I did end up breaking down and getting to Facebook. And then years and years later, I learned about using social networks for marketing. I mean, I knew about it. I knew about influencers using like Instagram and Twitter, but I had no idea the level that people used Facebook in particular for organic marketing. That brings me back to TikTok. So I hear people saying that you can get leads on TikTok, that you can get followers fast, like when Instagram was new. I started watching what other people were doing and dove right in and started posting 10 videos a day. I got a lot of followers fast, and I also burned out really fast and stopped posting. But I've regrouped and am back at it, but with a better plan. First off, I'm batching my videos. If you don't know what batching is, it's when you record and edit a big group of videos all at once. So since I plan to post 3 TikTok videos a day, I need to plan to batch for that many. So the first video that I have planned is meant to get people on my YouTube channel. I currently have 34 videos on my YouTube channel, not counting this one. I can make short little videos about my YouTube videos and end with a call to action for them to go to my YouTube channel to see the whole video. And for my second and third videos, I'm promoting legendary marketing. Their training is so valuable, so I promote it. I'll just do a straightforward video encouraging them to join the 15-day challenge. And I'm never worried about running out of ideas. There are so many other marketers out there that you can be inspired by. Also, you can get hashtags from these marketers. So these are the last 2 videos. I am gonna post a third one that's like this. This is my trailer for my YouTube video. Just a quick video of me talking. And I'm gonna feel out exactly what works best as far as these, if maybe having a little bit more content in them or just it being a straight up teaser for the YouTube video. Whatever works best, I'll continue making those. So, and then there's this one. These are both 15 seconds. These are the hashtags that I picked. Action taker. The videos about people taking action. One small thing to point out is that you need to have at least 1,000 followers in order to add a link. I actually already hit 1,000, then it just dipped below, but I was able to already add the link. The link only shows up on the app, but it's still there. So people are able to just click the link and then go to whatever you're promoting. So I hope this walkthrough of how to use TikTok for business was helpful. If you want a step-by-step guide of how to make an income online using affiliate marketing, including using TikTok, make sure to check out the first link in my description. Are you gonna use TikTok for business? What's your favorite social network to market on? Let me know in the comments and I will see you in the next one.